Hi everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome to Exploration Theme Parks, and today I'm at Knott's Berry Farm to ride some rides and also see if there's anything going on Montezooma's Revenge. So, let's get to it. Alright, just parked at Knott's Berry Farm. It's currently 9:06 a.m. Park opens at 10 a.m. However, they usually let you in like 30 minutes early, and Ghostrider opens up a little early, and that's typically what I do first because Ghostrider always has a very, very long line. So, let's go. And there is the fantastic we are officially in the park. It is 9:30 on the dot, and of course we're heading to Ghostrider first. Let's go. Alright. In the queue.
Please catch it up.
Straight up to the station. Let's go. Alright, just had the second train of the day. Basically a walk-on. Had row 10. So good. Lots of great airtime. Great laterals. You get tossed out of your seat. Mainly to your left. But yeah, that second half of the coaster is like better than the first half, which is awesome. And then that ending like flat helix is just insane. Great way to start the day always. So yeah, awesome way to start the day at Knott's Berry Farm always. On Ghostrider, and I think I'm gonna just head over to Silver Bullet right now. Alright, they just played the national anthem and now everyone's off. Heading to Silver Bullet. Let's go. Alright, we came up on Silver Bullet. Let's go. All right, managed to get on the first train of the day on Silver Bullet. I always say I think it's an underrated B&M invert. Yeah, the first drop's nothing like special because of the water, like it was custom, but it's a good layout and it has great inversions on it, great elements, and that ending helix over the water is an epic finale. So I think I'm gonna just get in line for Sierra Sidewinder, since I tend to skip it just because it's a slow moving line. And we made our way over to Camp Snoopy. It says wait time 15 minutes. And it looks like that might be the case. Look, they have squirrels on the lanterns. And there's part of Montezooma's still tarped up.
Clear up, clear means you are out of here. Enjoy your ride on the wild side.
Alright, waited about 18 minutes for a Sierra Sidewinder. Not bad. I got the front row, and I don't think I've ever gotten the front car on that train. And I thought, oh, maybe like it'll be pushed through and get more spinning. I literally had no spinning on that ride. And there's two people on the same train. So like a lot of times when it's like lopsided, you get more spinning, but I essentially just had a front row right on Sierra Sidewinder with no spinning. So kind of a letdown because you want that spinning on that coaster. That's the whole point, right? And now making our way through Camp Snoopy, I think I'm gonna go on another family coaster, Jaguar, because I haven't been on that one in a long time. Very, 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 very mild roller coaster, but I remember going on that one as a kid and loving it. There's Montezooma Station, still all tarped up. We'll talk about that in a little bit. And we got the Snoopy's Tender Paw Twister roller coaster, which was their newest ride, or newest coaster here, I should say. It's actually a pretty good kiddie coaster and actually has a tire little boost launch on it, which is pretty cool. So I might as well talk about Montezooma's for a little bit here. And this project has gone like silent. And last time I was here, they still had an advertisement that was going to open in 2025. But when I was waiting for the park to open, I heard the employee say that he thinks it would open next year. Both where the spikes are all topped up. There's really nothing going on, like no track work, nothing. Yeah, you can't. I mean, there's some track there still, but yeah, there's just no update on that project. And I mean, supposedly when they were doing it initially, like, whoever was leading the project couldn't handle it or something happened legal-wise, and supposedly someone else picked up the project, and I mean, we just don't know for sure what's going on, but it seems like the project is still alive. to revamp the roller coaster, so we'll see. Let's get him on for Jaguar. There's always water in the queue in here. I don't know why. And just like that, we're up in the station. One of the longest trains you'll see on a roller coaster. The Zier Tivoli model.
Enjoy your ride on Jaguar.
Alright, waited about 10 minutes for Jaguar. They have 2 trains on the track, but they were only loading one of the trains for whatever reason, so that's why it was a little longer wait. But yeah, it's a good family coaster. It's got a nice long layout. They even had to have a second lift hill on that because of the long layout. But yeah, it's definitely a perfect step-up coaster for the kiddos. And now I'm about to leave Fiesta Village, right over here next to Supreme Scream. I wonder what the wait is for that. Gotta watch out for the train and the stagecoach though right now. Oh, and that's the first train that I've seen Accelerator go, so it looks like they're testing it. It's not open yet. So I think I'm gonna have a 9 for Supreme Scream. Let's go.
Time. Thank you, and enjoy your ride.
Alright, so I love drop towers. Supreme Scream's a pretty good one. S&S drop tower. Waited about 5 minutes for it, not too bad. And Yeah, Accelerator's still not open, unfortunately. We'll see. I'm not going to be here all day, so I don't know if it's going to be open before I leave. And it doesn't look like the log red's open. I wonder if it's down just for some normal seasonal maintenance. Cabin. Let's go. I don't think I've been on this since I was a kid. Yeah, there's some people in the queue line for Accelerator, but I was standing there for a second and it wasn't going, so I don't know if it's just having some issues today or not. Last time I was here, I tried to go on the Sky Cabin, but it was broken down when I was in the queue line, so I thought I might as well hop on. Another test train for Accelerator. In the Sky Cabin. So that's a good sky tower because it spins, so you get like panoramic views of the whole park. The only thing I do wish is that some of these sky towers have like clean, clear windows, because it makes like the view a little foggy, especially if you want video and pictures, but even just to look out. But yeah, I do like that sky tower. You get amazing views of Knott's Berry Farm and the surrounding area. All right, I wonder how long it's gonna take us. It seems like the trains are spitting out slow. I think it's still on one train, which makes the wait a lot longer. There was rumor that they were working on another train, Last time I here, I think it was disassembled still. And there's the other train, it looks like.
How long did it take to build this?
It's ready. I mean, I don't know. I think last time I was here, it was the purple train that was on the track, not this red train. So maybe they're working on this train now, and then they're gonna have 2 trains running. That'd be awesome to see.
I know, it's like...
Enjoy your ride.
That's the, I used to like it, but it's not fun no more. Jaguar. It's a roller coaster, but with no turns, no nothing. It's just going around. That's fun. Let's over here down that way.
You're on the bottom, on this screen, the bottom right, you see your...
All right, not too bad of a wait for Accelerator, like 15 minutes. Got the very back row. That was definitely the new train, or the other train that hasn't been on the track for a while, and they definitely had brand new seatbelts on that train. So I wonder if they're modifying or installing like new belts on the other train as well. And hopefully they get both trains up and running at the same time, because that'll make the line move a little quicker. Love Accelerator. I mean, specifically that launch out of the station. It's so good. And the top hat's really good too, especially in the back. It whips you over and you get launched out of your seat, especially when you whip over the top. The rest of the layout's kind of just like a meandering figure 8, but such a great roller coaster packed into the small location where it's at. Perfect coaster for this park. And I mean, they do have a separate line for the front row, which the front row is actually awesome, but you're gonna be waiting a long time for it. Alright, so that's going to do it for my day at Knott's Berry Farm. I got on a bunch of rides in a short amount of time. It's a very nice day out. It's actually pretty warm now. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. And remember, never stop exploring theme parks.